So the GDP of Sweden was $175 billion in 2010, and we want to give a formula first. In T years, if it increases by 2.9% per year. Now, in order to do this, first of all, to do part A, I'm going to use the formula A equals A sub 0 times e to the r times t, where a sub 0 is basically whatever the initial value is. So in this case, my a sub 0 will be $175 billion, since that's the initial quote-unquote value here in 2010. And r is the rate at which it increases, so 2.9% is my r, and t is the time. So my answer to part A, to sub in for A equals A sub 0 e to the r times t, will be A equals A sub 0 is 175. Well, we'll assume that the answer is in billions. E to the rate, which is 0.029 times t. Actually, we're okay with 175 because we're supposed to give a formula for this in billions of dollars. I apologize, I should have used G instead of A, but that's an easy fix. Just gonna, instead of this, imagine I have G equals G sub 0 e to the r times t. So my formula is given by G equals 175 e to the 0.029 times t. Okay. On the other hand, if you have the GDP just increasing by $6 billion per year, then for part B, okay, you start with $175 billion, and then every year you increase by $6 billion. So if after T number of years, you will increase by 6 times T. So it's just going to be 175 plus 6 times T. So G equals 175 plus 6 times T. This is your answer to part 2. You can understand this a little better if you think of it in the sense that if you look at the first year, you'll be saying that it will be 175 plus 6. The second year, it will be 175 plus 6 plus 6. Third year, it will be 175 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So each time you're adding 6 times whatever the number of year is, and that's why you have 6 times t. And there you have your formula.